Hello and welcome to the pregame, and this is day number 2. Now, I want to just say something here before we get going. I've made a few changes here, if you noticed from yesterday, because I felt like the point system wasn't really going to work for me. So if you look up here, what you'll notice is I have a cash balance of $30,765. Right here, I have a level up value, and that's the amount of money I need to get to today, tomorrow, whenever, in order to get to the next level. Now, when I say the next level, what I'm talking about essentially is increasing my risk and increasing my target. So I'm going to be doing that as we go along. So when do I get to do it? Well, I've got it worked out now so that so every time I hit that level up mark, that's when I get to increase my risk, because that's when my buying power increases enough to bring my risk up and my target also. So if you look up there, my risk right now is $102. My target is $204. So you can see there's a 2-to-1 profit to loss ratio where my target is twice as much as my risk. Now my risk is per trade. So it's $102 per trade is what I'm risking. My target is $204 per day. That's what I'm looking to make in a day. So I hope that clears things up. I hope that's easy to understand. So today I'm on level 2. I started day 1 at level 0, made $765 yesterday. So let's see if we can add to that total today. Here we go. So do remember that day trading in general is risky, and a lot of people do lose money day trading. So trade in a simulator, use your stop losses, all that good stuff. And let's go over here to the screen. I've got these 3 stocks here picked out off of the gap scan this morning. It didn't look very good. I went ahead and marked out these lines here, but I'll clear this out and we'll take a look at them again. I'll mark them out with you. So I spent a little bit of time kind of looking these over, and it's like, man, this is not looking good at all. iLag, I guess, is one of the better ones, but still everything is below the VWAP. And as you know, when I trade below the VWAP, I don't fare so well. What I'm going to do right now is push play, and we'll get this party started. We have 5 minutes to go here on August 23rd in the simulator, practicing for that big account, fully funded account that is to happen next year. So the first thing I want to do is look at the 5-minute time frames and mark out some support levels. We have this support down here. It's a double bottom. We came down to 337. We came back and tested it again, double bottom, and then we broke out, but the bulls couldn't hold. Look at this on the larger time frame, a 15-minute time frame here, or even on the hourly, actually. So you had this inside bar, bull break, but the bulls had no follow through. Now this hourly candle is only halfway through, so I suppose you could see some follow through, but look at the 15-minute, this one already closed with the upper wick. On a bull break, you want to see more than that. So you had the equilibrium, bull break, and then we're back down into this same range again. Bulls want to see the break back over 360 to gain any kind of confidence that this stock is going to attempt a run at the highs. Right? Right. Okay, moving on. APRN. APRN, overall, on the larger time frame, the hourly, you can see it made a nice move yesterday and continuing that move today. This is the hourly time frame. This is the 15 minutes. So we're stepping up, but not gaining a lot of ground. You have a support there, and now we're down here. So let's go back to the smaller time frame. I can put a support there. I'm not liking that a lot. Maybe we get a double bottom and then a move back up to the VWAP, or maybe not. Bulls would like to get over this double top of 713. You can see that's a double top going back to the 1 minute here. Boom, boom. Down she went. And MRIN, which also doesn't look the best. And on the larger time frame, MRIN, selling off, looking like we're getting a possible lower high and maybe going for a lower low. And these were the best I could find today. Could look for a double bottom there, I suppose. We'll see. That's all we got. So I got used to trading in the $100,000 account challenge in a market that was really awesome. And all of a sudden here, starting the pregame challenge yesterday and today, it's just starting out really slow, really choppy. That's okay. So what does that tell me then about trading today? I think that tells me that I probably want to take profits quick. I don't want to hold anything, not with things moving down like this. I mean, larger time frames, we have had some nice bounces here, but it's looking like consolidation is coming sooner rather than later. So with a minute to go till the bell opens, so we tested this level again. I guess if ILAG were to break through 350, I would buy a back test. I'm going to get rid of this level. Here, we broke through that. So a test of 650 down here would be maybe a good entry point. Oh no, we'll see. So good morning, and I hope your day is going well. It's a Saturday. I'm trading in a simulator, so I can trade on a Saturday. So 15 seconds till the market opens. Batten down the hatches. Here comes the storm. Yeah, I'm trading on my other computer today because the main computer, for some reason, was having problems. So I'm looking kind of over this way today. All right, well, ILAG starting to break out over 350, wanting to get over the VWAP there. Oh, look at MRIN. Wow. I would try to get into MRIN on a pullback. A couple of spots there. And we've also got APRN looking like it wants to do something as well. So I'm going to try to jump in here on ILAG, grab a couple of orders there. I want to buy the pullback here on MRIN. I'm going to take profits quickly. I'm going to buy the dip there on APRN also. Taking the rest of my profit there on ILAG. Probably could have held that a little bit longer. I'm going to add to my position on MRIN. Yeah, ILAG, certainly I could have held that a little longer, but I don't want to get in trouble here today. Now ILAG, ooh, getting stopped out over there on APRN. Taking some profit on MRIN. I'm going to sell the rest right there. Okay. Well, that's rough. That's rough. Could try to buy a bounce here on iLag off of that support, but I really don't like this upper wick on this candle. I'll give it a shot, but I'm going to take profits quick. Right there, and right there I'm selling. Okay. MRIN. I missed on my opportunity to buy down here. Let's see if I get another shot at it. Yeah, I might not. I'm in once, just in case that doesn't hold. Can we get a bounce on MRIN? I don't like it. I'm looking to try to get back out of it if it gives me enough here. You look at the spread down here. I'm looking for the green. Looking for the green down here to get up above this 223. So I've got my order, my stop loss order here. I'm dragging it up over the top of 223. I want to see that. I want to see this bid get up over here so that I know that I can get out with some profit, or at least break even, but it looks like it's going to stop me out instead. It's coming down. My stop loss right there just got hit. So just like I thought, it's a rough day here today. So I may have to call it. I don't know. I'm going to wait a little bit and see what happens. Right now, you can see my profit at the top of your screen. I'm up 116 on MRIN. I'm down 214 on APRN. And I'm up 9180 on iLag for a total of negative $6. So basically break even on the day. I'm gonna have to wait and see what happens. I mean, I like this possible entry here on iLag, but yeah. See the volume profile over here on MRIN? See all that high red volume? That's not good. Long upper wick on the 5 minute. Got some big red volume here on APRN. Big red volume coming in here on iLags. So I don't know. That might be it for today. Not the way I wanted to start. At this point, I think I'm going to have to see something trading back up above the VWAP in order for me to be interested at all. I'm pausing the platform because I want to type in something, a different ticker here, and the platform will freeze. It'll freeze up on me, and then I'm going to have to back it up by a couple of seconds. Let's back it up by like 10 seconds or something. Because this just popped up on the high of day scan, and it is trading above the VWAP, so that's nice, right? Okay, it's loaded. I press play, and I'm going to enter in my margin here of $20, $17.26, 10. So I'm going to look for a trade on this. Find a good place for a bounce. There's 50. See if we bounce off of 50. Looking for a quick profit. I want to see it come back up above 50. Right there. Sold it for $51. Okay, now there's a good level here to look at, 1921. So we got a double top up here at 1970 on M. So a little consolidation below that. What do we have a pre-market here? Pre-market, you've got this level, which is kind of where we are at right now, that 1950 area. Okay, I'm looking for, well, I was going to say I'm looking for an equilibrium, but I don't know. What time is it? It's 6:38. So I'm green on the day now. Look at this bear flag possibility here on ILAG. So you've got an EMA support down at the 1930 area. In the 1920s, you've got this breakout through the high of day. You see here we tried once and then broke through it this time. So a back test there, and also you have the VWAP right there too. So here's a inside bar. Will we get a bear break? If we get a bear break, bull break, I'm going to jump in that. There's the bear break. Coming on down. There's the EMA. I'm not sure I want to get in at the EMA. Saw a little stutter there, so I jumped in it there. Take some profit. Okay. Now let's see if it can come down just a little bit more. Ooh, that 5-minute candle is going to close with that long upper wick. And that's okay. A 2-bar pullback on a 5-minute candle down to 1921. That would be interesting. What's it going to do here? It was a nice bulls buying the dip there. That was pretty nice. I don't know that it's going to come down and break through this low now. Let's see if it does. So that's the low of that 5-minute candle right here. Let's see if we break below it. Little 2-bar pullback. I want to see it come down to 1920. Can it do it? Little stuttering there. I'm in it there early in case that's all it gives me. Okay, I'm jumping in it there. Getting stopped out on that first order. Ooh, that's really pulling back a lot further than I wanted when I look up there now. I want to sell this, but I'm waiting for the bid to get up above my entry price. Oh man. Jumped in iLag over here. Yeah, that's unfortunate that M just gave it all up like that. So iLag, I'm moving my stop loss up because I'm expecting that candle to hold its low. If it doesn't, then it's not strong enough for me to stay in it. And if I get stopped out, there we go, stopped out. So that's my last trade of the day. I'm going to end this day as a red day. A freaking red day. Can you believe that? It's been so long since I've had one. Oh. Where is... Okay, so the madness here. So... Well, I really got taken advantage of here on M. Well, should I take another trade on iLag? I'll give it a shot. If that whips around and comes back down, though, I am in a lot of trouble, and it's going to be a big red day. I better take profits quick. I just sold half. I'm going to move my stop loss up to the low of that candle. See if we can break above the EMA, the VWAP on it. I don't know. Doesn't look good. Nope. So taking a little more of a loss. Booked half the profit, gave back a little bit more. Yep, that's gonna do it for me today. I'm gonna add this up. Let's see, I'm down 450. I'm down about $430 or so dollars. That's a little more than I'd like to be down, but oh well. Sometimes that's just the way it goes. So, okay, day two. Day two is a red day. This is probably going to drop me back a level, so I'm going to have to move my risk and my target down probably to 301 is what I'm thinking. So, well, you got to see my first red day in, I don't know, over 40, 50 trading days. So, hey, that's not too bad. Look at this. Look at M here. I want to make note of this. I guess I should have been looking back here a little further. Look at that. I'm pulling back to that area there. A lot of areas of support though. All right, but yeah, I'm done. Done trading for me. It just keeps on faking me out. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow. And I really hope things look a little better tomorrow. So take care of yourself, and bye-bye.